Hello, so I'm back with an update, and so I'm on a 17-week journey, but let's be honest, I'm probably going to end up growing this out a bit longer than that. So this is what my hair looks like at 8 weeks. I'm very happy with how everything's going. My hair is growing pretty quickly, and that's what people have been saying as they just see me in the street, or like clients who've come in, or like friends that I see on occasion. They're like, Glenna, your hair is growing, and I'm like, because I have a good wash dating happening. Yeah, I'm really happy about it. Right now, I just styled it with a really good gel, and I didn't use like a sponge, but I used something called a Twirl Club, and I'll have some like information up somewhere here. But yeah, I really like it. This is like a really cute style at this length, and I even did some work on my edges. It's nice to see that the hairline has grown in after all that bleaching and blonding and all that stuff. So yeah, super happy. I don't have anything really to add except for perhaps maybe some people who haven't seen me in a long time have commented on, oh, like this is like, I've never seen you with black hair, like this looks really good. So I'm sort of getting the same feedback but from different people, so that's cool. Yeah, that's about it. I'm really happy with how it's going. Yeah, I keep wash day pretty simple, like as my hair continues to grow. Again, I'll have to switch things up. I'm still using the same products by Lush, and so that's been really useful. But as far as styling goes, this is pretty much it. Or sometimes I'll wear like a really beautiful head wrap. I have about 12 of them from a business that used to be a vendor at a hair show I used to produce like back in the day. I say back in the day, but it was really like 2017 to 2019. Anyways, I'm yammering here. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Usually it's in a head wrap, or I have it styled like this now that it's at this length. And that's about it. The Lush products are still great. I'm still using like shampoo bars from there. Followed up with like the shea butter. You know, if I'm not really styling it, if I'm styling it, I'll skip the shea butter or the shea mix that Lush has, and I'll just apply the gel and use the glove. That's about it. Really like it. It's cute. It's really nice and hard. The gel has aloe vera in it, so I'm not too worried about it drying out my hair, and I've used it before, so that's about it. I don't really have any special announcements other than I just released a digital product, which I'm really proud of. It's a total, like, it's a complete wash day guide for those with like curly and afro texture hair. It's just stuff that I've used in the past with myself, and I use on my clients as well. So I wanted to share that, put it out. I was hoping to keep it like really short and be more of like a checklist, but I don't think that's really my style. So I ended up like producing almost a 40-page document. Anyways, I'll talk about that in another video. But thanks for just being here along the journey. But yeah, this is 2 months and another 2 months to go, and I'll see what I get, and actually land me at my birthday, and we'll see what kind of birthday hair I'll end up with. And so my next update will be in another 4 weeks, so we can see what the 3-month mark looks like. I'm super tired, but yes, I just wanted to say thank you for keeping up with this journey with me, and again, I'll see you in another month, bringing it to the 3-month mark. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.